Dangers, difficulties, and dilemmas is the picture for all men and women of Libra sign. These 12 months of duration is going to be a challenging time for you all, and you must definitely take care of yourself, especially during the vulnerable times of COVID 19. Dissatisfaction from family, strain in relations with family members is inevitable during these times. You will also feel disinterested in participating in family functions. Investments can go for a toss since you are bound to make wrong finance decisions. Be aware while crossing roads or while walking on streets because this is a highly accidental prone period for you. So just take good care of yourself. Jupiter Saturn in the 4th house from Libra will definitely make you busy in the matters of properties, home, and mother. If you are planning to buy your first home, then you will succeed in your plan. A brand new car is also on the cards for those who are planning to replace their old car with a new one, or for those who are planning to buy their first car. Restrictions at home is something that you must be experiencing from last few months, but with the arrival of Jupiter in your 4th house, now you will get some relief and you will be able to get out of the restrictions levied upon you at your home. You will stop repressing your emotions and start expressing yourself, which in turn will bring a great relief to your whole being. Because repression is suicide and expression is life, you should focus on expressing yourself as much as possible. The coming 12 months you will open up and let all that you had been suppressing within you will start coming out. And that will also bring a positive impact on your health, and you will start feeling much lighter and relaxed. Relations with mother can improve if you take the initiative. For those who are having strained relations with mother, this is the perfect time to patch up relations with your mother. This is also a great time for those who are planning to renovate their home and surroundings, as well as a great time for those who are planning to shift their home to a better place or to shift to a much spacious, bigger home. For consultants and small business men and women, this is a great time to find new clients, and business will grow steadily after March 2022. Overall, the coming year is a year of great transformation for you, because the sudden shocks and certain unseen difficulties that you may have to go through will bring a new perspective to your life. You will mature, you will transform into a better person than you were. Take what you learned and become a better person. Be careful when using your credit cards, as there is a high possibility that you may get trapped in a deep debt, which in turn will frustrate you and give you sleepless nights. On one hand, you will be tempted to use credit cards and take loans, while on the other hand, you will remain utter careless in managing your finances, and this can lead to certain difficult situations that you may not want to face. Also, pay attention to your teeth, because visits to the dentist will increase, and in rare cases a dental implant surgery is also seen. So take care of your teeth. Use a good toothpaste. For lovers, relationship will be a challenge. You will have to manage your relationship, else breakup is possible. So when you love, Be careful not to hurt your partner, but rather become more and more understanding. Understanding is an art, and not everyone is an artist. Understanding is deeper than knowledge. There are many people who know you, but there are very few who understand you. True love is born from understanding, says Gautam Buddha. And so maintain a good relationship. Men and women of Libra ascendant and Libra moon sign must become more understanding. Patience is when you are supposed to be mad at your partner, but you choose to be understanding. To understand everything is to forgive everything. Only when your understanding has matured that you will be able to let go, to forgive. And so, even though the year for Libra men and women is not going to be so great, still you can make it great if you work on scaling the level of your understanding. Always remember, our understanding of God is the answer to prayer. Getting things from God is God's indulgence of us. When God stops giving us things, He brings us into the place where we can begin to understand Him. It is only through the difficult situations that we learn. We grow only if we stay positive. Stay positive and remember to meditate every day. Recite the holy mantra, the Ganesha mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Recite it every morning 108 times and every evening 108 times using a Spatika Mala, and everything will be alright. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.